Welcome to ITMA Asia at Oerlikon, man-made fibers.
I'm from Oerlikon Barmark. I'm since 1990 in the company Oerlikon Man-Made Fiber, and I'm the regional sales director for different markets, and in particular I'm in charge for the Iranian market. Oerlikon Man-Made Fiber has two companies, which is Oerlikon Neumark, located in Neumünster, and Oerlikon Barmark in Remscheid. We are presenting the man-made fiber machineries, and we have different products. If I tell you shortly about Barmark, we are doing the spinning for different polymers, for POI, for FDY, for high tenacity. As well, we have the engineering department for polycondensation, and in Suzhou in China we have also plant for texturizing. In terms of Neumark, this field being active in BCF, in non-woven and in staple fibers. In terms of the Iranian market, we're being strongly active, and even during sanction we done several projects for POI and texturizing. And we see this market as a growing market, and we are very much delighted to be in this market and bring the highest technology, innovative products for our customers.
We are the VDMA. VDMA stands for the German Textile Machinery Association here at ITMA Asia in Shanghai. My name is Thomas Waldmann, I'm the Managing Director. ITMA Asia is the most important showcase in Asia for our technology. Besides the exhibitors from the mainland China, we are the strongest foreign nation. There are more than 100 exhibitors from Germany on this show, covering more than 7,000 square meters of stand space. Though the most important features of our industry for the markets in Asia and especially in China are the quality aspects of the textile end products, the flexible production. But in addition to this, energy saving is a big issue here in the industry and all over Asia, and of course intelligent manufacturing as a second factor, and the third factor of big interest here in the industry is the air pollution and less waste, less toxic waste in the whole production chain. So all our suppliers here cover all these aspects for the industry to help them improving manufacturing, and up to now we are quite satisfied with the show so far, the exhibitors, the number of visitors, and we're looking forward to a market in China and all other parts of Asia.
Swiss Textile Machinery Association that I represent as the Secretary General. We take care of 40 member companies, 40 Swiss companies still active in the field of textile machinery. They are in all kind of fields, so they are in the whole value chain of textile machinery, starting from spinning, weaving, knitting, finishing, but also quality testing. So this wide variety of companies, you can see almost all of them here on the show on ITMA Asia. And also in Iran, in your country, we are also very active. As you might know, we have had a symposium in Iran this year, in Tehran in spring, where we presented also our latest technologies to your market, and I think that was well appreciated. And our members, there were 17 of them participating. They had a lot of possibilities to interact and to re-establish the long existing contacts that we have between the two countries. So now talking about China again, about the show that we are on now. China is at the moment a somewhat slow market for our industry. It's somehow stable, but there's not a lot going on. There's a lot of overcapacity also especially in the spinning industries. So it is important to be here, of course. It is important to talk to the customers, but at the moment the dynamics in our industry is really in other markets than the Chinese, and one of them, as said, is the Iranian, it's Pakistan, it's Bangladesh. These are markets that are at the moment really important to our industry.
My name is Davide Maccabruni. I'm the CEO of SSM, Scherer Schweiter Mettler in Switzerland. We are very happy to be here at the ITMA Asia in Shanghai. This is by far not our first time in China. We are showing a number of new products that we recently developed. First of all, the Xeno platform for the high-end segment, combining different technologies onto the same platform. But we're showing also a number of other machines, the X series, for example, for the high-volume segment, singeing machines, finish winders, DP5T position for ATY processing, and the Duro platform for technical yarns. This is only a number of the many machines that SSM is producing. China is traditionally a very important market for us. The numbers speak for themselves. We are very successful in China. We have great expectations from this market also in the future, great expectations also from the fair that started yesterday. The first 2 days were very positive so far. Number of visitors, not only from China but also international visitors. Quite a number of interesting discussions and quite a number of projects running so far. Our wish is that the exhibition goes on the way it has started. What you see here is our new platform, the Xeno machine for the high-end segment. This platform combines different winding technologies onto the same platform. This allows flexibility that we haven't reached so far for our machines. You can combine different yarn pads, you can have machines with auto-doffing, you can have machines for the doubling and for the different applications. These machines also contains the newest features in terms of interconnectivity of the machine, IoT capabilities, and the most important thing you don't see on the machine because it's inside the machine, that's a Digicon 2 technology. When SSM developed Digicon in the past, it was like inventing the digital camera with a resolution of, let's say, 2 megabits. Digicon 2 allows a resolution of 40 megabits, meaning that you can produce dyeing packages with up to 20% more density using the same dyeing process downstream, which in turn creates automatically big value for our customers in the end use.
سلام، من آرش یکدانه هستم، نمایندگی گروه SPG پرینت یا همون شرکت اشتورک هلند که توی صنعت چاپ ایران اسم شناخته شده ای هست. شرکت اشتورک شروع کارش رو با ماشین‌های چاپ روتاری انجام داد. بعد از اون ماشین‌های شابلون سازی برای شابلون‌های چاپ روتاری تولید کرد و در حال حاضر هم که یکی از فعالیت‌های اصلی شرکت اشتورک هلند ماشین‌های چاپ دیجیتال هست. چیزی که توی نمایشگاه شانگهای رونمایی شده و برای بازار ارائه شده، یکی ماشین‌های شابلون سازی UV و لیزر هست که کمک خیلی شایانی میکنه به بالا بردن کیفیت چاپ پارچه. کسایی که از چاپ روتاری استفاده میکنن و بالا بردن سرعت چاپ در زمانی که نیاز به تغییر شابلون هست روی ماشین چاپ. و ماشین دیگه ای که توی نمایشگاه شانگهای ارائه شده ماشین چاپ دیجیتال هست که با سرعت خارق‌العاده‌ای میتونه کار چاپ دیجیتال رو انجام بده. چاپ دیجیتال یه موقعی خیلی بحث پیچیده‌ای بود، خیلی هزینه چاپ بالایی داشت، ولی در حال حاضر خوشبختانه با گسترش این بازار هم هزینه تولید این تیپ محصولات پایین اومده و بنابراین یه شرکتی که به سمت چاپ دیجیتال بره میتونه با قیمتی قابل رقابت با چاپ روتاری توی پارچه‌های خاص اقدام به چاپ بکنه. گرچه هیچ وقت چاپ روتاری حداقل تا امروز نمیتونه جای چاپ دیجیتال نمیتونه جای چاپ روتاری رو بگیره. چاپ روتاری همچنان بازار خودش رو داره و بنابراین ما یکی از شرکت‌هایی هستیم که توی این زمینه میتونیم کمک شایانی به صنعت چاپ کشور داشته باشیم.
Hello, I'm Larry Fontana from Lafer, Italy, and today I'd like to focus a little bit on our liquid ammonia finishing range. This is a scale model of showing the system in general. Therefore, the machine is designed for cellulose fabrics, cotton. Therefore, namely, the two biggest areas would be denim fabrics and also shirting fabrics. Virtually, we start from dry fabric. Fabric enters the machine. We have an area where we liquefy the
گروه تکستکنو که مدیرعاملش دکتر مرشده و معاونش هم مثل مارکوس کاردلوه، بسیار این دو نفر با من همکاری دارن برای ارائه کنترل کیفیت در ایران.
My name is Venier Paolo from Savio. I'm the sales manager in Iran. This is Savio new winding machine. The name is EcoPulsar. This is an alternative solution to the traditional conventional winders, an alternative to our Polar. What is the new concept that is in this machine? The new concept is the individual suction motor. Every spindle has an individual suction motor that will activate when the spindle will enter in cycle. When the clearer will cut the yard, now I will show you. Whenever the spindle makes the cycle, the suction motor will activate itself, and then when the cycle will terminate, oh, this is the new. When the cycle will terminate, the suction motor will stop again.
My name is Giacomo Meucci, and I am the sales responsible of Autefa Solution Group for the Iranian market. is Autefa. Autefa Solution Group is a multinational group composed of different companies, one in Austria, one in Germany, one in Italy, and one in Switzerland, for supplying you complete lines for non-woven and spinning. Our group is owned by CATC Group, that is a Chinese state-owned group of about 60,000 people, that is probably today the biggest manufacturer of textile machines in the world. Autefa Solution Group has 4 companies. One is Germany, Autefa Solution Germany, where we produce cross Lafer, baling press, and automation press. Then we have one plant in Austria, Autefa Solution Austria, ex-Feder, where we produce needle looms. In Austria, we have even our demo room. We have about 2,000 square meters with 3 non-woven lines where our customer can come, can make a test, and can see the real results of what his product will be. Then we have a company in Italy, Autefa Solutions Italy, that is ex-FOR Octave, where we produce carding sets for non-woven and for spinning. Then we have a company in Switzerland, Autefa Solutions Switzerland, ex-Stalam, that is producing oven, dryer, and more. So we cover all the world, and we are able to supply you complete lines for non-woven for any kind of product, from geotextile to carpets to filters, span lace line, complete lines, and we can supply you complete lines for spinning, for woolen spinning, for semi-worsted or for worsted. We have several hundred customers in Iran, and we have customers for spinning very famous like Zomorod, Negin, Mashad, Sinatab, and so on. And sorry if I forget someone. Or customers for non-woven like Rejali Group, like Misha Bibaf, like Paz Moquette, and so on. Our range of production can really cover everything, from blending to the final line. Talking about our presence in Shanghai Tex, or ITMA Asia, better to say, that is one of the most important fairs in this part of the world, and we are pleased to be here. And we are pleased at how the show was. We have many customers, mostly from China, but not only China. And we have a lot of inquiries, and we hope soon that this inquiry will be finally concluded in a bit. For anything you may need, I will be happy to give you any information, but if you want to check all the information regarding the company, you can check on our website, www.autefa.com.
My name is Savio, and I'm the sales manager of Stalam. Stalam is the world leader in manufacturing and design of radio frequency equipment for the textile industry. Stalam was established in 1978, so we have almost 40 years experience in this field. And since the beginning, we have developed the technology of the radio frequency for the textile application. We presently are exporting our production in more than 80 countries worldwide, where we have a very good net of sales and also servicing. We have now 10 servicing points worldwide for promptly assist our customers. With a number of more than 2,100 machines in operation worldwide, we can say that we are the #1 in the world in this field of application. Our technology is well known now for the good quality and the good results in terms of saving of operation.
Salvade, from Salvade SRL Italy. We are here in ITMA Asia to promote our machines. The main products is steamer after printing for digital fabrics and conventional. Our production is also with the tumbler for to dry the fabrics, to increase the quality, to give a good volume and big machine page. Other good important machine is calendar, felt calendar to transfer the paper on the polyester fabrics. Our company is 50 years old and started from my father and my uncle, and now we are in the second generation where we are continuously improving our machines in all the world. For that reason, ITMA Asia is one of our important points where we can see the Asia market and promote our machine here. The digital is today is absolutely very important, and for that reason we try to apply in our machine the best quality to help the people to have the best fabrics and to try to resolve the problem that the digital created to now.